Is that her horse or no?
No, that's a barn horse.
Does she have a horse or no?
No, not yet.
Hey, it's better to ride barn horses. You'll learn.
Oh, the dog's there. Oh, shit. Shoot, no. Excuse me. I'm swearing in the video.
Jane's in trouble.
There's a dog there.
Good. Keep them going. Keep them
Watch
going.
out for the dog.
Keep Say
I
going.
wouldn't do that.
Kick them. Kick
There
them.
he goes.
Come on.
Switching
Get
moves.
Say
Good
going.
job. All right, that dog needs to come over.
Yay.
Come here, dog.
So,
Come on.
where did she break both her arms?
She broke her right wrist and her left wrist.